Up, I'm coming back here. So, bonjour tout le monde. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's Monday, February the 13th, lundi 13 février. So, I want to teach you, I want you to get to know a new website called INA. It's a French website where you can get a lot of old videos from the old times, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. This video is from the 1992, 1992. And it's Maite and Micheline, and they had a cooking show, very funny cooking show, and they are gonna make a hamburger, but in French we say an hamburger or an hamburger. So this one's gonna, she has an accent, so she said an hamburger, an hamburger. Allez, c'est parti.
Qu'on va se quitter, la surprise de Maite et Micheline, pour ceux qui n'ont pas trop de temps finalement, entre midi et deux, pour manger un petit encas quand même consistant.
Alors vous allez avoir droit à une recette exceptionnelle,
inédite.
Inédite. Une recette que vous trouverez dans
une recette exceptionnelle, une recette inédite.
Aucun livre de cuisine, ça je vous le promets.
You will never find this recipe in any cookbook, nothing, nowhere. I mean, this burger is gonna be exceptional.
Que vous ne verrez pas faire souvent. Que vous
You're not gonna make often. Vous n'allez pas faire souvent.
ne mangerez peut-être pas très souvent.
Vous ne mangerez pas, peut-être pas très souvent. Vous ne mangerez peut-être pas très souvent. Vous ne mangerez peut-être pas très souvent. That's hard. Huh? So you wouldn't perhaps eat very often.
Plus. Qu'est-ce que c'est vous m'aider à nous faire?
Eh bien, je vais faire un hamburger
Un hamburger
rayonné.
rayonné, because she's from Rion.
Parce qu'on n'est pas américain, ici on est à Lyon. Tout à fait, comme on fait ici.
Comme vous faites chez vous.
Voilà.
Ah mais que faut-il pour faire
Pas
cette
grand-chose.
recette?
Pas grand-chose. Un petit pain de campagne.
So I love when she said that. Un petit pain de campagne. It's a small bread of campagne. It's like rustic bread. It's small. And she loves a large quantity. So you know when people say, oh, the French don't eat too much. It's like, yeah, we do eat. We love eating. And good food. This is a rustic bread. This is probably lettuce from somebody's garden. You have foie gras. This is a fresh foie gras, you can tell. This is un magret de canard. So it's like probably the breast of the duck and the fat. And gésier, I really forgot what is gésier. Let me check quickly because it's a French. No, I don't have my dictionary. So let me check quickly. Dictionnaire. And let's check gésier because you guys also here to learn. So gésier will be, gizzard. Anyway, this is the one, gizzard. En gésier, magret de canard, foie gras. I have no idea what is this. And une salade, une laitue et un petit pain de campagne.
Moyen, il y a plus gros, voilà. Comme
So she said it's medium size. There is larger than that. Yeah.
coupe en deux. Et voilà.
Donc on coupe en deux.
Là, voilà, j'en sais ce qu'il faut. Après, là-dessus, j'y mets quelques petites feuilles de salade.
So quelques petites feuilles de salade. So a few leaves. So feuilles is leaf or leaves of salad. Salad
Des
leaves.
gésiers,
So gésier, gizzard.
des lamelles de magret,
So magret de canard. She speaks very fast, but sometimes she doesn't really articulate very well. At that time, we didn't care on TV. So magret de canard. So she's gonna cook that. She's gonna cook also the foie gras.
et du foie gras chaud. Et on referme le couvercle et on mange.
Et on mange. So this white thing, I have no idea what it is. I cannot see.
Ça c'est le hamburger qui prouve la belle santé des
Exactement,
Anglais.
exactement.
Alors montrez-nous ça.
So elle cuit.
J'ai fait revenir mon four.
So faire revenir is like you not fry, but you know the fat is natural. It's coming from the foie gras and also the magret de canard because this part is the fat. You don't remove it, because the French like to keep this fat. And also if there is like some fat remaining on the pan, they're gonna store it. somewhere to use it for cooking something else, like potatoes or making an omelette, something like this.
Foie gras, mais malgré,
Léger-y avant qu'on a déjà installé sur de la jolie salade.
ça va de soi, il faut du salade.
Alors, vous allez nous disposer tout ça très bien.
Ça, oh, c'est parti, c'est pas... Bon, on n'enlève pas le gras parce que c'est bon, hein.
Ça nourrit.
Ça nourrit, ça nourrit.
So, on n'enlève pas le gras parce que c'est bon. We don't remove the fat because it's good. And she's gonna use an expression, ça nourrit son homme. It feeds, is like one's man. So if you cook for a man, he's gonna be fed with a burger like this. So.
Voilà. Alors, un étage de
Mais
magret.
c'est pas difficile, hein. Non, c'est pas... On en voit, tout simplement.
Je veux, comme on dit ici.
Le plus simplement du monde, là, il en reste un petit, là.
Voilà. Et ensuite, on va mettre le foie gras par-dessus
Le
encore.
foie gras, voilà. On va dire que ce soit nourrissant, mais c'est pas mauvais. Voilà.
So c'est nourrissant, it's feeding, it's filling. Also, it feeds you. C'est pas mauvais. So the negative is not complete. Ce n'est pas mauvais, it's not bad.
Voilà, on dit.
Bon, et un petit couvercle par-dessus.
Ah, nous, voilà.
C'est ça que vous donnez au petit déjeuner à Pierrot, tous les jours?
Allez, Amel.
I have no idea what she said. So do you feed that to your husband every day, like for breakfast? And she said something I have no idea. Even myself, I don't understand what she said.
Elle vous apporte ça sur son travail.
Oui, c'est
Bon,
bon.
moi, vous savez, je vous ai apporté celui de Bordeaux, comme ça vous avez le choix.
So they don't add mayonnaise or any salsa because it's already full of fat. That's a lot of bread actually. And she said, "Well, I brought you a regular burger." So she said from Bordeaux, but it's not from Bordeaux. And we know the burger is German. Huh? The American soldiers who were in Germany saw that they were making this kind of German burger. They added whatever they needed to make an American version, and now the burger is American, but it's from the city called Hamburg. So anyway, so this is kind of funny because Micheline is her. Maite is this kind of woman. She likes to eat real food and cook everything.
Sainte Vierge Marie.
Sainte Vierge Marie. She has a very beautiful accent. Says like Sainte Virgin Mary. She's like, oh my God, in a sense.
Voilà.
C'est mal avec les
Et ben vous aussi, vous aurez le choix maintenant. Le hamburger classique, traditionnel, le modèle du genre, le riez pas trop, et le hamburger de Maïté de Rion-des-Landes.
Faut avoir tes périmètres pour avoir ça.
J'ai l'impression que vous êtes
I have no idea what she said. So it's like maybe you must be really miserable or starving to eat this kind of stuff, but it's nothing. You know the bread is fake. The meat, we don't know what they put inside, but the other one is real. Of course, the quantity is kind of big, but.
On va passer une bonne soirée pour cette 100e de la cuisine des Mousquetaires. Nous avons ri.
So this bread behind is kind of bigger. You have this kind of coffee grinder, maybe sugar, coffee, this kind of stuff. This is a meat grinder. Old school. No need to use electricity. Before people were not using as much electricity as now because we have everything electric, but that means we have a larger, electric bill. But look at this. You need probably a gas stove. Other people have electricity, an electric stove and everything electric, but it's not necessarily better for you. So.
Nous rions souvent, mais vous avez vu Maïté, quand il faut faire la cuisine très très bien, elle rit, mais elle le fait bien.
So like they say, we laugh a lot, but when we cook, we do it very well. So she's trying the burger. I'm pretty sure she already tried one before.
On vous en fait autant. Et puis on sera toujours heureux de vous retrouver pour d'autres émissions que nous espérons continuer longtemps en dialogue avec vous. Bonsoir.
At a bunch of real French women, old school French women, loving to eat and loving to cook and drink and having a very, very nice life. You see, skinny French woman, not necessarily like this, but it's interesting to see I mean, you cut it in half, in quarters, or you take a small slice and you try, but it's really big. To me, there is a lot of bread. It's too much for me. But it's a very nice bread, nice salad, nice foie gras, nice magret de canard, and gizzard. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of the week. Au revoir.